Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find the color grading settings on CapCut PC. So if you are new to CapCut PC and wondering where is the color grading options, you can just follow this step. So after you import your video, you can see there's a details option here, and to find the color grading you can just click on the video, and then here the adjustment will appear right here. So you just need to click on the tab, and there are two options, basic and also HSL. You can just choose which one that you want to use to adjust the color of your clips. You can go to basic and also HSL, and here you can just scroll down to find the color adjustment and complete it like this, and you can just make some adjustment, for example the time, the hue, saturations, and other color adjustment. And I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thanks below, like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.